What's up, guys? This video is just different. It's just we're gonna record our day on Sunday. I do this video so the kids got a little memory of what we did back in the days, you know, when they were little. So that's what we're gonna do. So the kids wanted to come to the park, guys. So they wanted to go skateboarding. So we bought them new skateboards. All three kids got new skateboards. I was like, you know what? I think it's time for me to get a new board. So I ended up going to the store yesterday and we got some Spitfire wheels. That's that. And we got some NGK bolts, or DGK, I'm sorry. I'm over here thinking about spark plugs. DGK bolts. My son has these on his and I kind of like them. They're pretty chingon. They're like chrome bolts. And then I got me some red bearings right there. And these are my old trucks. These are independent trucks. They are, I think, 149. Yeah, 149 hollow, stage 11. So I got these, and we got mob grip tape. That's what we're gonna put on the board. And this is the board right here, guys. That's the board I got. And this one is just gonna keep it simple. Look at that, Lucky's DIY Garage. Keep it simple, you know what I mean? I don't want anything too crazy. I'll show you guys my old board and everything. So let's just build this real quick and then we'll take the boys to the skate park. Right now they're playing at the park. So the skate park's gonna be over there, but right now they're at the park over here. So they're playing over there. I think they're playing tag or hide and go seek or something like that. The wife's right here. She's getting her hair done, everything. It's a process. It's gonna be all pink, flaming pink and everything. It's gonna be chingon. Let me show you guys an up close and personal. These are the Spitfire wheels, Caters, Formula 4. This is what I got, and it has to be green. You already know that. Some red bearings. I keep wanting to say NGKs, spark plugs. DGK, I like these because the boys, my son has one of these. I like that they're all chrome. I don't like how the GoPro doesn't auto focus. And I got these, show you guys, these are from my old board. These are 149 stage 11 hollows. So we got that, grip tape, and of course we needed some stickers. So let's build it right now. Did I lock the excursion? Shit. I'm gonna lock the excursion real quick. I know this has nothing to do with cars, but my channel, if you guys notice, doesn't have to do with cars. It's kind of like random shit and everything. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open that board. Yeah. I'm gonna open the board now. Yeah, wow, look at that. Look at that. Nice and cool. Sick. All right, oh shit, it's about to slip off. Throw that trash over there. My wife's gonna be like, what the fuck? No, my wife's not that ghetto. Okay, first let's puncture the holes. I don't think they put the holes. Puncture these damn holes. I don't know why they did that. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is the grip tape. For some reason, it's always satisfying to build your own board. It's always satisfying. That. Ah! I hate air bubbles in my fucking shit. Where's that grip tape? Oh, where's that paper at? So I think I got that on. Let's put this on top of this so I don't fuck up my new board, which is probably gonna get fucked up. The tape is on. Now we gotta cut it. Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, need a tool? Damn, my son gave me the tool. Now we're gonna. And it's kind of hard to ride a skateboard, guys, with my right leg because some of you guys here, let me move the camera a little bit. Because some of you guys know I got into a motorcycle accident, 2 years ago, babe? 2023, right? 2023. I ended up breaking my leg. Here's a photo of it right there, if you guys want to see it. And then that's me in the hospital right there. And then, yeah, I broke my leg, my shoulder. Here's a photo of that right there. So I got 2 bolts that's in my shoulder right here. My leg, it snapped and the bone just like ripped out of the skin. Sorry for being too graphic, but that's what happened. So it's kind of hard for me to like bend my foot like up. So this one can go up, but this right side can barely go up. My toes in the front can't go up like a, you know, normal. It stays like that. So I'm still fucked. So we'll get a little ride in, you know. I'll do anything for my kids, you know. If they want to ride with their dad, then I'll go ride with my boys. Then probably go get some burgers or something. I don't know. See what the wife wants. Oh shit, what I do with my razor blade? What I do with the razor blade? Oh, thanks, son. So I'm gonna cut right here. That's so satisfying for some reason. Let me know how old you guys were when you guys started skating. I don't think I can do any tricks right now. I've seen a lot of older dudes do some tricks. But with my fucked up leg, I don't think that's possible, okay? But we'll do a little something. Okay, clean that up a little bit. I hate imperfections. I'm not a perfectionist, I just don't like imperfections on my board. We got the grip tape on. It's coming out looking good now. Okay, then we're gonna fold that. I'm gonna sand this area down. This is tiring, so a hot pocket me, babe. Need a hot pocket.
I have a hot pocket too, guys.
He has a hot pocket. My wife made me breakfast this morning. She made me a hot pocket.
Me too.
All right, lunchtime is over. Now we gotta do the hardware. We're gonna open the hardware. So these are DGK hardware. Oh, nice and look at that.
Boy, Daniel.
Do you guys usually save the stickers or throw them away? I like to put the stickers on. Oh shit. So I'm debating on what colors I want to do. So I'm gonna do probably purple, gold, and then we'll do like a blue.
And then a green.
And then on a green on this side. And then we'll do, actually we'll do one chrome on each one. And we'll do a green and chrome, and then orange and red on this side. And then I don't care where the bolts go. I'll mix those up. Poke the holes through. So the front is gonna be, let's see, the nose. Yeah, so this is gonna be the front right here. So the green I'm gonna add right here.
You just said there's gonna be.
Yeah, but I'm just put a green on this side.
Oh. That wasn't me. Not like this. You said you're gonna put one of these over there, one of these over here.
Oh shit, yeah, huh? I wanna put one chrome, so they won't add a blue over here. How you gonna have a rock fight? You know that's gonna hurt. Hey.
I hope you're okay.
Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you want to hear about my motorcycle accident and how the hell it happened. All right, we got the bolts on. Now let's put the trucks on. Set that right there. Yeah, skateboard's coming out looking good now. Man, I used to ride so much when I was a kid, guys. We used to ride everywhere. Have you ever owned a skateboard, Ben? Huh? You've never owned a skateboard? Damn. Can't wait to ride this. I might eat shit, but let's tighten these mama jammas up. See, guys, I don't just work on cars all the damn time. Even though my neighbor asked me to check his car before we left. It's like, you're always checking somebody's car, huh? He said he was feeling jerking. While he was driving, he'll let go and he'll feel the motor shift back and forth. He thought it was transmission maybe. But I told him it could be possibly the motor mounts are broken. So when he lets go of the gas, you can feel the whole motor jerk back or forwards. So we did a motor mount check on his car. And sure enough, all the mounts are broken. You see the whole motor shifting back and forth. Oh, tighten these motherfuckers. Is there torque specs for trucks? Okay, trucks are on. Now we're gonna start with the bearings. We'll take these off, take the washer off. We'll leave the bottom washer on. Look at that. Perfect. Hopefully I get a sticker with this. Ooh, I did. That's pretty badass right there. So there's two sides. There's a green and there's a white. I don't know which one you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. Should we do the green or should we do the, I don't know, the Spitfire logo right there? Hey babe, I'll let you choose. Which ones? Which ones look badass? You like that one? So we're gonna go with these right here. That's what the wife chose. Stand up, we're gonna push these down. Just like that. Bearings in. And then now, put this other one. Yeah, put the washer. Want a little breathing air, guys, little breathing space. There you go. So let's go to the other side. What's up, boss? How can I help you?
Hey, I buy things and sell things on eBay.
Yeah.
Just to make a profit.
Yeah.
But I bought these and they're knockoffs. They're pirateria.
Yeah.
So I can't sell it. So I'm just giving it away instead of throwing it in the trash.
Really?
I'd rather see some kids play with it and maybe have some fun.
Whatever.
Sure.
Cool.
Yeah.
They're blades. They're like these spinning things.
Oh, I remember those when we were kids.
When we were kids, we would play with those.
Yeah.
Have a nice
Well, I
one.
appreciate you, man. So this guy said he bought some blades to flip, but they ended up being knockoffs. So look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? Kids can play. They're blades. It's good. What do you guys think? Look at that. It's all set up. It's just, I want it clean and simple. Look at the wheels. I think my wife chose a good option. Oh shit. I think it came out pretty badass, if you ask me. Now we gotta do the stickers. Now it's the fun part. Oh yeah, you can tell these are knockoffs.
These are stickers.
The sticker for your blade.
How do you build these?
It's like blade, let it rip.
How do you build
You guys never seen the show?
No. How
No?
do you build these?
Look at the Chinese directions right there.
It doesn't look
Okay, well, I'll help you right now. Let me finish my board. White just sitting there. That's the board, guys. Look at that. Complete setup. You know what the only thing I hate about building a skateboard is your hands feel all fucked up. Like all ashy and shit from the sandpaper. What do you guys think? Looking clean? Can you see from there, baby? Let's see right there. Yeah. I think it looks clean right there. It looks simple. Simple and clean is what I'm trying to do. This is gonna be my street board. On this one, I'm gonna add it right here. I gotta support my own channel, you know what I mean, guys? This is called advertisement right here. Right, babe? Spitfire, I'm gonna put right there. Gotta represent. Oh, and by the way, guys, I got this board from Board Pushers. I got one board from them custom made for me. Right away it started peeling off for some reason, so I ended up adding some clear. Added some clear to it, and it's been doing okay. It's been cracking though. But this one, yeah, but look, this one doesn't do it. The other one, I put my finger and it was like coming off. So this one wasn't doing it. Yeah, and that's their sticker right there. So we're gonna probably put them, support them. Probably put it over here somewhere. I'm not sure. And if you guys got some stickers you want to send out that you want me to put on the board, send them out. I got the P.O. box right there in the description. Send them out and I'll put them on the skateboard. What do you guys think? I think it came out pretty chingon. I really like the chrome bolts. The chrome bolts is what looks chingon. Look at that. You guys see the chrome bolts? It's a nice little setup. Can't wait to ride it now. All right, guys, we drove to the skateboard side. What you guys think? Now you guys can see it better in the sun. That's the setup we got. We'll go this way. Let's go this way. Look at my voice. No, I got it, baby. We'll go over there. That's the biggest bug I've seen, guys, right there. Beautiful view over here, huh, guys? Wow. Now this park's right here, right next to my job. My job is over there. Right here, this is National City right here. What the?
Ariel, really?
Oh,
That's not how you skateboard.
Come on, Daniel. Show us what you got. Go down. All right, we're gonna give this a try. No, I'm gonna try to go over there. Here, I'll go on that side. Oh, shit, Ariel. Good job.
Oh, dead.
All right, let's do this. I'm old, but I can do this. I seen like 56-year-olds can skate. Hold on, guys, I got it. Oh, shit. All right, now we're gonna do this. I'm just like, I ain't ready for that shit, guys. Here, let's do it again. I want to get up there better.
You see, this is like. I'm just trying to see.
Let's see. Oh shit!
You gonna leave that there?
Huh? Yeah, just right now. See if I do this. It's been a while, but I'm gonna do this again. Let's try doing all this. You okay?
No, I'm gonna cut.
Okay, dude. I got this.
How do you do this?
So what you're doing is keeping your foot in the middle. Don't keep it too far out. Just try to keep it in, close as you can to the middle. And then instead of pushing down, you're gonna push your leg out.
You did it!
You did it?
You did it!
But
did
I
it?
did it, but my skateboard didn't do it.
Let's see. Almost, look. So you're gonna push it out like this. So you go.
He's starting to get it.
You starting to get it? Let's see. Oh.
Daniel!
No, no push. Kick it. There you go, Angel.
Daniel, no! You're going fast.
Get it. Oh shit. Go over there. Go over the bump. Okay, I'll give you a little push, but you gotta learn how to kick. Go. Go. Well, I guess that's it for practicing, guys. The kids want to go get some food. They need to go to the bathroom. But boy, look at him. He's trying my board out. See the difference between the hard wheels? Feel it? Go, there you go. Good job. Now ride it all the way down. Ride it all the way down. Go, go, go. Go, go, down. There you go. Come on, Daniel. Ride it all the way down.
But that is actually probably both feet.
It's hard, huh? Yeah, they're hard wheels. They're different compared to you guys' cruising wheels. Go, go, go. Push, push, Daniel. Go, push. Oh.
Where'd you get that?
It's always been there.
Get what? Get what? Get what?
Well, I can't do a U-turn in front of the police station. Look at all these motorcycles, guys.
Stick with the.
I like that brown one right there.
Yeah, that was.
That one looks pretty sick. So what you're gonna get? You're gonna get rice, noodles. I think I'm gonna get that too, Daniel.